Morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly to mostly cloudy conditions across the region this morning. Should see a bit more sunshine once we move into the late morning into the early afternoon hours before we see a line of showers and thunderstorms move through the area for the evening hours, and some of those storms could be strong to severe. Looking at the possibility of strong winds as well as some hail embedded those thunderstorms. Right now, tornado risk is very low at this time, but continue to monitor the weather today. Most likely we'll see a severe thunderstorm watch or tornado watch issued from the Storm Prediction Center later on this afternoon, the evening hours today. As far as our sounding goes this morning, we have a freezing level of 11,200 feet, winds out of the southwest, and fairly consistent as far as velocity goes, around 25 knots throughout the column this morning, and then peaking at 37 knots at 25,000 feet. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have this cold front that's going to be moving through the region currently across the Appalachian Mountains. We have a weak area low pressure that's developed along that cold front that will continue to move through New York State into Pennsylvania as well today, and that's going to be where the strongest storms will be located, most likely in northern Maryland as well as southeastern Pennsylvania. We'll see a line of showers and thunderstorms moving through the region for late afternoon, the evening hours here at Wallops. Some of those, as I mentioned, could be severe, but the greatest threat today is northwest of the Wallops region. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the area, you can see the radar overlaid on the satellite with this line of showers and thunderstorms currently moving through the Appalachian Mountains. We do have a few showers and even a thunderstorm across southwestern or south and central Virginia this morning. That's going to be moving towards our region for this afternoon. Should see, as I mentioned, some more breaks in the cloud cover. That's going to allow us to see a bit more instability to build across the region for this afternoon, and that's going to give us that energy for the thunderstorms to continue to develop and propagate towards the region for later on this afternoon. Taking a look at the HRM model for today, you can see here those showers and thunderstorms move towards the region. Those showers that are currently across central and western Virginia are going to be moving north of our area, but then we'll see those showers and thunderstorms developing quite quickly. Looks like there'll be a decent theta E ridge across south and central Virginia. That's going to be where those thunderstorms develop, and then they'll be moving towards our region. And we'll see isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms for the early afternoon. Here's 3 p.m. And so it's moving to the later afternoon, the evening hours. Here is 6 o'clock this evening, seeing a line thunderstorms to our west as well as some more thunderstorms moving through the area. So it looks like we have a very good chance of seeing thunderstorms within 10 nautical miles of the area, especially once we move past about 4 p.m. this afternoon. And then continue on, those showers, thunderstorms move off the coast after 8 o'clock or 20 local this evening, and then we'll see some clearing skies overnight. Cooler conditions for tomorrow morning, temperatures in the 50s. And then for Tuesday, looks like a mild day across the region, seeing winds out of the west for a good portion of the day tomorrow, and that'll allow us to warm up fairly nicely with some slightly breezy conditions as well. Some of the models are showing some winds gusting into like 23 to 24 knots. So we'll continue to monitor how strong those winds get. Looks like right now we'll see winds peaking at around 20 knots for our Tuesday afternoon. And look at the European model for the next few days. Here's Tuesday into Wednesday. You can see high pressure in control. Then Thursday, we'll see a warm front move through on Thursday morning. That's going to give us a chance in rain showers. And then we'll see a disturbance moving south of our area for Thursday night. That could give us a shower or thunderstorm, but most likely that will be south of our region to the Tidewater area. But being this far out, can't rule that out moving into the Wallops region. And for Friday into Saturday, looks like our first real taste of summer comes in the region. On Friday and Saturday, we'll see a ridge off the southeast coast. It's going to pump in some much warmer air across our area, and that's going to give us temperatures possibly inland on Saturday in the 90s for the inland portions of the Delmarva Peninsula. Along the coast, we'll see mid-80s, it looks like right now. Then Sunday, we'll have a cold front move through. Looks like the timing of that cold front still in question this time. Could come in Saturday night or possibly late morning Sunday with that. Looks like some showers, possibly some thunderstorms, but we'll continue to monitor that as we move out towards this weekend coming up. And taking a look at Wrist chart for today, we'll see a high around 77 degrees today, a low tonight of 57. Looking at that red condition for rain and lightning between 1600 and 20 local this afternoon and the evening hours, and that's going to be our best chance of seeing anything severe move through the region as well. Winds today will be generally out of the south or southwest, peaking during the early afternoon with a southwest wind 9 to 14 knots, gusting to 21 knots. And we'll see light winds overnight, anywhere from northwesterly to westerly at 5 to 10 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, going to see that 50% chance of a thunderstorm from 1400 to 1600 local, then an 80% chance of a thunderstorm from 1600 local to 20 local, then a slight chance we see a lingering thunderstorm from 20 local to 21 local at 20%. Then by tomorrow morning, with that high pressure building in, cold front well off the coast, we'll see clear skies across the region, tranquil conditions. Our tides are running slightly above normal at this time, and looking at Tuesday and a Wednesday. Tuesday will be mostly sunny to partly cloudy, slightly breezy and warm, high of 79. Tuesday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy, a low of 54. And for Wednesday, partly to mostly cloudy and seasonable, high of 71. Green charts across the board here. As I mentioned on Tuesday, could see some winds gusting around 20 to 21 knots, as it looks right now. As I mentioned, some of the models are showing a bit stronger winds, but right now keeping it green for our winds on Tuesday. In the next 7 days, we are seeing temperatures in the 70s throughout the next 7 days. So those warmer conditions looks like will continue, and seeing above average temperatures for the next 7 days. We'll see that warmer day tomorrow at 79, 71 on Wednesday, so a little bit cooler, 30% chance of a shower. Wednesday and Thursday, a warm front moves through. Thursday will be a warmer day, 79 degrees for a high. We'll see a 20% chance of a shower or thunderstorm during the evening on Thursday. Right now it looks like that will be south of us. And for Friday, we'll see 78 degrees with high pressure building in. Seeing a bit of cloud cover across the area. Friday right now looks like that low cloudiness that we could see Friday morning will move off the coast for Friday afternoon, but that will be a player in our temperature forecast for Friday. If that low cloud does stay along the coast, could see temperatures in the lower 70s, but right now expecting that to move off with highs in the upper 70s. Then for the weekend, as I mentioned, we'll see a warmer day on Saturday, 84 degrees for a high, a chance of some evening showers and thunderstorms. And for Sunday, with that cold front moving through, right now it just depends on the timing of when that does move through, with a slight chance of an afternoon and evening shower. Looks like right now that should be there in the morning, and a high of Sunday cooler at 73 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.